Hello and welcome to Education at SSBJ online video tutorials. We were in chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence of class 8th CBSE. We'll continue the rest of the contents which are a part of this text. Our today's discussion is on the topic reproductive health. The physical and mental well-being of an individual is regarded as an individual's health. To keep the body healthy, every human being at any stage or any age needs to have a balanced diet. The person must also observe personal hygiene and undertake adequate physical exercise. During adolescence, however, these become even more required, more essential, because our body is growing. Adolescence is a stage of rapid growth and development, and we need to support this rapid growth and development with balanced diet and adequate exercise to achieve physical and mental well-being. That is what is called and health. Hence, the diet of an adolescent has to be carefully planned. You have already learned what a balanced diet is. Recall that the balanced diet means that the meals include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins in requisite proportion. Our Indian meal of roti or rice, dal, vegetables is really a balanced diet. Milk and egg is a balanced food in itself. Fruits also provide nourishment. For infants, mother's milk is a complete provider of nourishment that they need. Iron builds blood, and iron-rich food such as leafy vegetables, jaggery, meat, citrus, Indian gooseberry are good for adolescents. So it is our duty to ensure that our everyday lunch and dinner, even the breakfast, contains all the required nutrition such as minerals, vitamins, protein, carbohydrates, fats. We should see that our meal includes these required nutrition in adequate amount. It is more required when a person is in the stage of adolescence. What about chips and packed or tinned snacks? Though they are very tasty, should never be replaced as regular meals, as they do not have adequate nutritional value. Personal hygiene. Everyone should have a bath at least once every day. It is more necessary for teenagers because The increased activity of sweat glands sometimes makes the body smelly. Other parts of the body should be washed and cleaned every day. If cleanliness is not maintained, there are chances of catching bacterial infections. Girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstrual flow. They should keep track of their menstrual cycle and be prepared for the onset of menstruation. Physical exercise. Walking and playing in fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. All young boys and girls should take walks, exercise, and play outdoor games. It is very important to say no to drugs. Adolescence is a period of much activity in the body and mind, which is normal part of growing up. So do not feel confused or insecure. If anybody suggests that you will get relief if you take some drugs, just say no unless prescribed by the doctor. Drugs are addictive. If you take them once, you feel like taking them again and again. They harm the body in the long run. They ruin health and happiness. You must have heard about AIDS, which is caused by dangerous virus, HIV. This virus can pass on to a normal person from an infected person by sharing the syringes used for injecting drugs. It can also be transmitted to the infant from the infected mother through her milk. The virus can also be transmitted through sexual contact with the person infected with HIV. So adolescence is a period where we have to take a lot of precautions to live healthily.